I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust forward fusion headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, especially at night. Misaligned headlights can significantly reduce your visibility, making it harder to see obstacles or road signs. They can also create a glare for other drivers, which is a safety hazard. Learning to adjust them yourself is a simple and effective way to improve your driving experience and ensure your car meets safety standards. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx T20 bit, depending on your specific Ford Fusion model. Next, park your car on a level surface, facing a wall or garage door about 25 feet away. This distance is important for accurate alignment. Also, double-check your tire pressure to ensure it's at the recommended level, as this affects vehicle height and headlight aim. Now, let's get to the adjustment. Turn on your low beams and observe where the brightest part of the light hits the wall. Mark the horizontal and vertical center of each beam with tape. For most Ford Fusions, you'll find the adjustment screws on the back of the headlight assembly. Use your screwdriver or Torx bit to turn these screws. One screw typically controls vertical adjustment, and the other handles horizontal. Aim for the beam to be slightly below the center mark. After making your adjustments, take your Ford Fusion for a short drive, especially at night, to confirm the headlights are properly aimed. Ensure both headlights are symmetrical and provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. Also, test your high beams to make sure they engage correctly and illuminate the road effectively. Remember, regular checks can prevent future issues. For more great content and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.